Hey, let me show you how you can fix issue when you cannot receive notifications from your phone to your Huawei Band 9. And first of all, you have to focus on your smartphone and you have to actually check if you enable the notifications on the Huawei Health application. So open it, go to the devices, select your device, and after we will be connected, you will have to go into the notifications and be sure that you enable all notifications by clicking on the switchers. And next, you should also check if on your smartphone the do not disturb mode or sleep mode is not activated, because when you turn on the do not disturb mode, you won't receive any notifications on your smartphone, and it means that it won't transfer them into your band. So that's all that you can actually check in your smartphone. And now you should go into your Band 9, and also you have to check if the do not disturb mode or sleep mode is not activated. So be sure that you turn off both modes, and next you should navigate into the settings, find notifications, and now enable this option to wake screen when the notifications are received, and also enable this one. Notification will be shown when the device is being worn. And now you can just go back, and that's basically it. There's like few tips that you can try to fix the notifications issue on your Huawei Band 9. Right now, please subscribe.